In today's video, I want to show you 4 ways you can use Tito's Activities feature for events with different configurations. In this first example, I'm running a conference with a bunch of different ticket types. Most of them count as a seat in the conference theatre, but a couple of them don't, for instance staff tickets and exhibitor tickets. I want to be able to easily keep track of how many seats in the theatre are taken, and I can use activities to do this. I'm going to create an activity called Seats, set the capacity to 1000, and I'm going to uncheck the box that says Show this activity publicly, as this particular activity is just for my own internal use. Now, I just need to attach this activity to all the relevant ticket types, leaving off any which don't count as a seat. Now I can see my total count across all of those different ticket types. And, as a bonus, because I've set the capacity of my venue, the included tickets will automatically come off sale when I reach that limit, ensuring I don't accidentally get overbooked. Let's look at another example. I'm running a 2-day event and I'm selling tickets to each day separately, as well as a discounted ticket to both days. On top of that, I have early bird and standard pricing. It's hard for me to know in advance if day 1 or day 2 is going to be more popular, so setting the capacity at ticket level isn't ideal. Luckily, I can use activities to handle this for me. First, I'll create an activity called Day 1. I'll set my capacity, make the activity private, and attach it to any tickets which include access to Day 1 of the event. In other words, both my Day 1 tickets and both my both day tickets. I'll save this and do the exact same for Day 2, this time attaching it to the tickets which include access to Day 2. Now, not only can I see at a glance how many people are coming to each day of my event, Tito will also automatically take the attached tickets off sale if I hit the activity capacity across the different ticket types. So, if Day 2 reaches 500, attendees will no longer be able to purchase an early bird or standard Day 2 or both day ticket. Our third example is relevant for events which have different tiered options. Here, our attendees can buy a ticket to just the conference, or a ticket to the conference and a workshop, or a ticket to the conference, workshop and dinner. I want to keep track of my numbers for each individual event, and again, I could do this using activities. First, I'll create a secret activity called Conference, and I'll attach it to all my tickets. Then I'll create a secret workshop activity and attach it to just the 2 tickets which include the workshop. Finally, I'll create a secret dinner activity and attach it to just the 1 ticket which includes dinner. Now I can see at a glance how many dinners I need to order and how big a room I need for my workshop. So far, all of our examples have been about how activities can help you as an event organizer better manage your numbers. In this final example, I want to show you how you can add timings and a schedule to your event for the benefit of your attendees. If we open up the event homepage, we can see that my event has 3 components with corresponding tickets. An all-day conference, preceded by an all-day workshop the day before, and followed by a free after-party for which attendees have to RSVP. At the bottom of the page, there's a handy schedule outlining the order of events. Let's jump back to Tito so I can show you how I did it. As you might have guessed, I created an activity for each component of the schedule. This time, I added the venue from a list I'd set up under the Customize Location menu, and I set the date plus the start and end times. I also opted to make the activity public this time. I repeated this for the other 2 activities and attached each one to the relevant tickets. Now, not only can I keep track of numbers and have a schedule displayed on the event homepage, but the ticket holder's calendar file and PDF ticket will also include their personalized itinerary based on their order. And if you want to display the time of your event on your homepage, you simply need to create a public activity with the date, start and end time, and ensure this is attached to your tickets. This will then display on the homepage. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and be sure to let us know what you'd like to see us cover next time.